how November's played out so far. This check will be pitiful because I missed so many days. Well, I was off on Thanksgiving anyway. So we're down a little bit for the month. I did use City Card for a little bit. I have till January 1st to pay it off, to pay the $252.54 and not have to pay any interest. But this month we're only down $406.16. It's better than being up, I guess. Hopefully next month I'll have regional paid off completely. And I'm going to try to pay City Card off completely as well. So I did put the power bill on auto pay, so that's working out pretty good. And the first of the year, I've got about 5 months left to pay off OLO. So I have to divide that balance up into 4 or 5 payments and get that paid off without any interest as well, hopefully. That's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to report on the end of November. Oh, I did get paid the other days that they shorted my check on. And Amazon Prime renewal was one of the things that went on City Card, because with the shorted check I didn't have enough to pay everything. That's pretty much it for today, for the end of month November. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the question and comment section, and I thank you for watching.